Adam Levine leaving The Voice after 8 years, Gwen Stefani replacing him for season 17. Despite being previously confirmed as a coach on season 17 of The Voice, it was announced on May 24 that Adam Levine will not be returning. Instead, Gwen Stefani will be back in the big red chair. Update 11:52 a.m. ET, Adam has issued a statement on his departure, saying it was time to move on. Original, after 16 seasons as a coach on The Voice, Adam Levine will not be coming back for season 17 in the fall. Carson Daly confirmed the news on the Today Show May 24, and also revealed that Gwen Stefani will be returning to replace the Maroon 5 singer. Many viewers will miss watching his frenemy relationship with Blake Shelton, Carson joked during the morning show. He will always be a cherished member of the Voice family and we wish him the best. The news was quite shocking, as Adam had previously been confirmed as a season 17 coach alongside Blake, Kelly Clarkson, and John Legend. Adam won The Voice 3 times throughout his 16 seasons, but he struggled to produce finalists during seasons 14, 15, and 16. During season 15, Adam made headlines for a controversial comment he made when he had 2 finalists in the bottom 3, Reagan Strange and DeAndre Nico, during the top 10 elimination episode. Reagan was sick and unable to sing for her Last Chance, instant save performance, although viewers were still allowed to vote for her. Adam seemed to favor Reagan, begging people to vote for her and not keep her out of the competition just because she was sick, and he was criticized for not pulling for DeAndre at all. Then, during season 16, all of Adam's artists were eliminated before the semifinals, so he spent the 2 biggest weeks of the competition with no singers on his team. John went on to win the season with Malin Jarman. Gwen, of course, is no stranger to The Voice. She's already served as a coach during seasons 7, 9, and 12. Plus, she was a mentor during season 10, as well. The show is a special place for the singer, as it's where she and Blake first got together in 2015, after their respective divorces. We'll miss Adam, but we can't wait to see Gwen and Blake back together next season.